As I shared in my Asia and Europe session update for gold, that there is a possibility of a little retracement, but 2035 levels should be a greater support. It is precisely moved towards 2035 and trading with that as a support. At the same time, crude oil again has traded bullish. It has gone now close to $78 level. So what to expect today? Which position you should take trading gold and crude oil? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Important day, we have the GDP data and the PCE data coming in from US. Definitely it will bring the volatility. Thus need to trade with a stop loss and a trading stop loss. Let's start first to look into gold followed with crude oil. Watch till. If you're not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. I release twice a day update, so do like, share and subscribe and comment. Let's start. See, first of all, prices were divergent from the 20 period moving average. It is converged here. It is getting the support here with the 20 period moving average, trying to rise again. Yes, it can again turn bullish. I will wait for now for it to break past 1945-46 levels, beyond which you will 2045-46, I'm sorry, and beyond which you can look forward to 2050 levels. Once gold stays beyond 2050, you can say prices are turning bullish again. Stochastic has hit a bottom, trying to rise, while MACD has traded with divergence and bearishness. It has seen a little retracement, and if you look at MACD, see, first wave, second wave is done. Possibly it could converge, crossover again and stay bullish. RSI has also come out of the overbought zone. Coming to 2 hour, likewise on the 2-hour charts, rise, little retracement, waiting for the moving averages to climb up. Higher lows are observed. It can possibly, once it stays above 2045-46 zone, you can expect further rise from there. Thus, as long as 2045-46 levels are not taken, do not initiate a buying position in gold today. Moving averages consistently looking upwards. Stochastic has dropped and it can rise from here. It can stay bullish from here. While the MACD on the 2-hour charts has just crossed over first red candle, little divergence here. So this is only a bearish sign, and it does not mean that it cannot see. It has just converged and crossed over. It can possibly diverge again. Right now, it is not to be treated as bearish as of now. RSI was overbought. It has cooled down a bit. On the 3-hour charts, see, now look at the 3-hour charts. What has happened here is a reversal sign, couple of reversal candles, red candles. Here, if you observe the preceding candle, it is a red candle but with a smaller body and a bigger tail. This suggests that the prices are not willing to stay bearish. At the same time, one must observe too much of divergence from the moving average. The 20 period moving average right now is sitting at around 2028, 2030 levels. Certainly below 2034-35 levels, 2028, 2030 is the next support zone here. Stochastic has dropped drastically with just couple of more red candles, while MACD has started to converge. Remember, it has not yet crossed over, it has started to converge here. RSI is still staying overbought here. Now look at the 4-hour charts. See, reversal sign, lower highs, lower lows. Yes, a buying entry is only above 2046 levels, beyond which you can say that a reversal can be expected, but then wait for 50-52, and once it stays beyond 52-50 zone, you can look forward to 2060 levels here. Yes, it can fly past 2060, and all-time high levels also cannot be denied if it continues to stay bullish. But my worry point is the divergence between the moving averages and the price here. Too much of divergence, I always expect it to converge. What I am trying to say here is this, and we can expect this to happen here as well, but right now it is not showing any signs of bearishness. Yes, retracement candles are seen. I will just observe how it behaves at around 2045-2060 levels. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD has started to converge. It has not yet crossed over, and it is not at the peak as well. It has further scope for it to rise. RSI is still staying overbought. Coming to the daily. Now, before we look into the daily charts and I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 28th batch is announced. You can be a part of it. equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies which can help you identify profitable trades and help you trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals you can definitely. Now, most of you have asked where you can get the global news, where you can get the economic calendar and the data release. See, you can visit my platform www.forexfunda.com. Link is there in my channel and video description. Here on the front page itself, you can find the breaking news from across the globe. Also, you can find the economic calendar here where you get the live markets, live data releases from across the globe. You can also search for your favorite instruments, find the live charts, and do the analysis with the help of tools and indicators. Yes, you can also schedule a call with me or other experts if you want to get any consultation or guidance. So this is the platform forexfunda.com where you get all the live updates from across the globe. Also, you can create your own discussion forums. You can join any other forum. You can initiate a discussion with the like-minded traders and enjoy the enriching discussion. Thus, visit the platform www.forexfunda.com. Also, on the front page itself, you will find here the details of the mentorship batch, and I have started my weekly webinar series where every Sunday we discuss what to expect from the markets and commodities in the coming week. And also, I take up your live questions, so do register for the webinar. Now, see, look at the charts. On the daily charts, you will find, see, gold is trading in this channel. The top is done, the bottom is here far below at 2020 2015 levels. And if you notice, both the candles are outside Bollinger Bands. That is why we are looking forward to a little push. Yes, it has achieved the lows 2035 levels, certainly a good support, and below 2035, 2028, 2030 zone is the first target, and then 2020 2022 levels will be seen. Great support exist here for gold for the day. I will definitely watch out for now how it behaves at around 2035 levels, below which further bearishness can be expected. Yes, prices are too much divergent from the moving average, but the moving averages are now looking upwards. It can also reverse completely and give another set of bullish candle. Be watchful. The stochastic here is overbought. That is why we can see a swing candle here. The MACD has crossed over here and it is trading with divergence. It is looking upwards. Though this crossover, earlier crossover was itself at a higher levels, it has dropped here. Now trying to look upwards. RSI back to overbought zone. Looking at this, I will recommend you to buy gold today at 2046. Be careful at around 2050, 2052 zone. Once it stays above this, you can expect further rise towards 2058-60. The next targets is staying above 2060. Certainly, one has to stay bullish. One has to expect a further rise, which will take the prices towards 2070 levels. And on the downside, you can sell here at 2034-35 zone. Expect 2028-30 first target, 2020-22 to the next target, and below 2020 is where the bears will be taking over. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at crude. Crude oil on the hourly charts, moving averages crossing over here, stayed bullish. Also, the price has got the support from the 20 period moving average, and since then it has rallied. I have asked you to buy crude oil today at 77, 77.2 and expect it to hit 78 levels. It has precisely come to 78 levels. Can it rally more? Yes, it can. We will find the answer with the help of charts and indicators. See, stochastic back to overbought, MACD divergent and bullish. RSI is also back to overbought levels here. Coming to 2 hour, likewise on the 2 hour charts, moving averages crossed over here, trading with the support from the 20 period. We have seen this rise, first bullish candle, second bullish candle, third in making, possibly staying above 78. We can look forward to further rise, but then 78.5 levels is the first resistance zone. And remember, this time if it stays above 78.5, we are looking at $80 levels very soon. Also notice, see, this is how crude oil is trading. The bottom now is at around 76. Stochastic back to overbought. MACD is trading with divergence, looking upwards, looking bullish. RSI is also coming to overbought zone. Coming to 3 hour. Now look at 3 hour chart. See, consolidation, one bullish candle, consolidation, another bullish candle. It is trying to move outside Bollinger Bands. There is a possibility that it can hit 78.5 levels. Staying above 78, certainly the further bullishness can be expected. Now remember, 77 and 76 zone is the support zone for oil. Any breach below 77 and 76 is only the confirmation of bearishness. As long as oil stays above 77, 76 zone, do not treat oil as bearish. It can fly towards 78.5 and 79 zone. Moving averages crossing over here, signs of bullishness. Stochastic back to overbought. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is also looking upwards. On the 4-hour chart, likewise on the 4-hour chart, see rise here, consolidation, another bullish candle, and now this candle will try to break out beyond Bollinger Bands. Yes, it will try to push Bollinger Bands to expand, and for it to push the bandwidth to expand, it has to stay outside Bollinger Bands, which means 78.5. In fact, 79.2 and $80 levels cannot be denied here. Yes, if it breaks past above 78, more bullishness, and above 78.5, certainly we can look forward to 79.2 and $80 levels. Stochastic back to overbought. MACD is divergent. MACD is bullish, looking upwards. RSI is looking upwards as well. Coming to the daily charts. Now see, on the daily charts, couple of key observations let me share here. First of all, the major observation here is, so far the oil was trading with this bearish channel, within this bearish channel. It has come out of this bearish channel. This is very, very important observation here. Now, if it stays above 78.5, you can look forward to a major rise towards 80-82 zone in crude oil in the few sessions. Next observation here is, see the rise retracement. This time what it has done, it has given higher lows here. So higher highs means $80 levels sooner or later should get achieved. That is my expectation. Why? See, after the reversal sign, this is the first bullish candle. Yesterday what we have seen, today is the second bullish candle, and possibly we can look forward to a third bullish candle tomorrow, which might take the prices towards $80 levels here. Stochastic is rising on the daily charts. Now, most importantly, look at MACD. See, first wave, second wave. It is still staying bearish, and it has a scope for it to trade downwards. But if you look at last few trends, you will find oil always tries to rise from these levels. So there is still bullishness intact. RSI is rising, which is again a bullish sign. Thus, looking at this, I will recommend you to buy here at 78.2 levels. Expect 78.5, 79, and then 79.5, 80. So as long as $80 levels are there, you have to put a $0.50 trailing stop loss, because there is a little resistance. Thus, you can buy here at 78.2 and expect further rise. But be cautious, 78.5 should be a very good resistance, and beyond 78.5, the actual milestone, the next milestone is towards $80 level. If not today, possibly by tomorrow, these levels might get achieved, but it has to stay above 78.5. On the downside, a selling entry is only recommended if you see the price is staying below 77 point. And then remember 77, 76.8, 76.5, and 76. Four major and strong support levels here on the downside. Thus, if you are selling at 77.2, you have to be very cautious of these levels. You have to put a trailing stop loss and keep shifting your stop losses manually, such that in case of a reversal, your trade closes in profit. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading related queries. For trading related queries, you can book a call with me on my platform forexfunda.com. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.